These ones are really good. Well, strawberries are in season now, and also July is ice cream month, and for that reason I am making today a chocolate strawberry cottage cheese ice cream. Now, strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, so great to support your immune system. And why I use cottage cheese? Well, cottage cheese is creamy, it has a nice consistency, and it has high protein. So with that, let's get blending. All right, so we're gonna start by adding the cottage cheese. Then we're gonna add our delicious strawberries, honey, and last but not least, vanilla extract. Now we're gonna blend these well. Blend until it's smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Now, let's add the dark chocolate pieces and mix well. Cover and freeze for at least 4 hours, stirring every hour to break up the ice crystals. Let it sit for a few minutes before serving to soften slightly. I always use fruits and vegetables in my recipes. This is a great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Now, the best part, my friends, the taste. But before that, I have a question for you, and you can give me your answers in the comments. Are you a spoon or fork person when eating ice cream? So I'm gonna use the fork today. Now let's see how this tastes. This is amazing, fabulous, perfecto. Now I highly encourage you make this ice cream. Your entire family is gonna love it. Well, if you like what you're seeing, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you for watching, and always have plans. Until next time.